Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. So in this video we are going to do the TCore gift card today, 18th August, and if you have not started mining this project, link in the video description. So we are going to log in with our Discord account for easy access. And if you're here to subscribe to this channel, do well to subscribe, like and share, and also join our WhatsApp group, our Telegram channel for high value updates. And if you want to be getting the first hand gift card secret code every day, do well to join our Telegram and our WhatsApp group. I'll be sharing it every day in our group, so do not miss out. So we are going to authorize the app. They are going to check the age, the activity, the OG. So, and after that, this is the website. So what we are going to do is to click on the hash key. Then you scratch the hash key, you claim the TCore tokens. Second one, you scratch, you claim the TCore token. Now, the next thing to do is to click on the gift card. So we are going to paste the gift card here. I'm going to attach it in the video description. Do well to use it before it expires. Success, 10 TCore added to my balance. Click on OK. So this is what you do basically. Mining is ending soon. Do not waste time. Join right now. They said that 1 TCore is equals to 1 USDT. So if they should go by what they said, that means you will make a lot of money here. So start now if you have not started. Link in the video description. If you want to be getting the gift card code every day, do well to subscribe and join our WhatsApp group for more updates. Thank you guys. See you guys in my next video.